everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name's Nina and today I'm going to show you how to make kind of like a lava lamp, but not necessarily a lava lamp. So you will need some see-through cups, or you can use like a water bottle, some water, alka seltzer, some food coloring, and some vegetable oil. So I'm going to use a couple different colors. That's why I have 3 cups. You could use one color and only use 1 cup. Our very first step is to pour in some water, just a little bit. We don't need a whole lot into our cups. And then we're going to add just a couple drops of food coloring into the water. So whatever color you want, just a few drops. I'm going to do red and green and blue today. Our next step is to fill the rest of the cup with vegetable oil. You want to fill it up so that it's almost to the very tippy top, but you don't want it overflowing. And you'll see some bubbles already starting to form. And you'll see that the water and the oil separate because water and oil do not mix. That's actually kind of cool just in and of itself. So you can see that the food coloring stays down with the water, does not go with the oil. So our very last step is to add Alka-Seltzer tablets to each of cups. And you'll see them start to bubble. You'll see them start to bubble and you'll see the beautiful colors start to rise throughout the oil. They go up to the top, pop, and go back down. So that's carbon dioxide actually. That's doing all that. That's making this happen. So that's kind of like your homemade lava lamp. Now this will only last a little while. It's not gonna last forever, but you get to see kind of how a lava lamp works. I think the red is looking pretty cool, but you see the Alka-Seltzer making this reaction, releasing carbon dioxide, filling the bubbles, and going up to the top and then running back down. What color's your favorite? The red is really speaking to me because I think you can see it the best. But look at the giant bubbles with the green going on. So you can start seeing them float to the top and separating. So our bubbles are coming to an end here. The Alka-Seltzer tablet is pretty well dissolved and done. You're not seeing too much reaction anymore. It's starting to go back to the surface, separating the water and oil, and the food coloring staying within the water. There is still some bubbles going on, as you might be able to tell, but it's coming to a close. It doesn't last very long, but it is very cool to see that scientific reaction that you're getting. This time I'm going to use a water bottle, and I'm going to use a flashlight as well, so you can try this at home. So again, we're going to fill it with a little bit of water. If you have a funnel, this might be easier to get some water in it, or just put it under the sink. That probably would have been slightly smarter of me to do. Just add some water, fill the rest with vegetable oil. Again, this would be much better if you had a funnel. If you do not, ask your parents for help. Now, I think we'll go with blue. We're going to drop some blue. You'll see they immediately go to the water. The last thing you need is your alka seltzer. So just drop that right in there and wait for the bubbles to start rising. We can see our blue is starting to fill the water, and you're going to start seeing these blue bubbles rising to the top. And we're going to turn out the light here. And have this glow. And that's a little bit cooler way to see it. Do you see that a little bit? So as I said before, these bubbles form because the Alka-Seltzer reacts to the water, creates these little bubbles, and these bubbles attach themselves to the colored water, rise up, fill up with carbon dioxide, which makes them rise up to the top, pop, and then they float back down. And that reaction continues until the Alka-Seltzer is fully dissolved. So that's what you're seeing here. You can try that at home. And so our Alka-Seltzer is getting pretty much dried up. You can see all these cool blue bubbles. And that was our science experiment for the day. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it works out for you. And let me know down in the comments if you had fun with this. What color was your favorite? What color did you choose to do at home? And did you expect that to happen? What did you expect to happen when you added the water and the oil and the Alka-Seltzer? That is our end result. Once these bubbles pop, they'll float down to the bottom, and you'll just be left with the layer of blue water and oil. That is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.